checkpoint 7.17 show the output. So we continue with the array. Okay, this question is about passing by value, passing by array reference variable. So let's look at the number is 0. Array is up to 3 elements. So we are passing 0, then array reference variable numbers. So here is going to be 0. Yeah, numbers we pass to y, and then x equal to 3. Okay, this is a local variable, nothing to do with this. And then array reference variable, default value for first elements is actually integer value 0. Now we change to 3. So if we print it here, okay, number is still 0, refers to that, nothing to do with this because it belongs to this method m. But when it comes to array reference variable, first elements, we add 3, okay, the first elements. So this one's supposed to print 3, okay, not the default value, 3. But this local variable, okay, nothing to do with this number in main methods. So this is still going to be 0. That's going to be 3. Okay, that's the output. So number is 0. And then first elements of array reference variable is 3. Okay, 3. That's all. Thank you.